Good morning. Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today I'm coming to you from Vancouver, British Columbia, and you can see the view outside my window. And I am here on a work trip for a few days. And what I wanted to showcase today was how I keep my tech accessories organized. So for instance, I have my AirPod Max, my iPad, and then my work laptop, and some other gadgets I have for my camera as well. And I just want to talk about how I keep that organized. And so today I'm just going to review the BagSmart Tech Accessory Bag. And I'm just going to quickly review how I keep it organized. All right, if you find the video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So this is the bag that I use to organize all of my tech accessories when I travel. And it's from a company called BagSmart, and I actually bought it from Amazon. So for instance, I have my AirPods Max, my iPad, and my work laptop, and my Apple Watch. Like, I all need chargers for all of this. So I like this bag because right here on the top here, it has 4 different loops that you can put your cables on. And again, nicely organized. So my Apple Watch, USB-C for my iPad, and then just a regular lightning port cable. And then I have a micro USB cable for my power bank. In this bag, I have some extra cable accessories for my laptop. At the top here, I have a nail clipper. You never know if you need those on a trip, especially for those hangnails. And then I like the fact that you can also store different types of media cards. So here I actually have an extra SD card that I put in the slot because I will be filming and taking lots of pictures. So it's good to have an extra SD card in case something happens to the original one. And then here I have a power bank. And then here I have my Anchor dual charger fast charging. And so I like it because, again, like, it fits everything fits into place. It's nice, compact, and organized. I picked this up and I throw it in the bag, and it is good to go. So that is a quick overview of the BagSmart gadget and tech accessories bag and how I keep things organized. All right, hopefully this was helpful to you.